Hi, I'm Kara with Krazy Kreations, and I'm here to show you how fun and easy it is to use our chip sticker dolls. Okay, here we are. Let's take a closer look at our sticker chip doll set. So this is the inspirational one, which I think is what you'll get at the end as you decorate. But in order to work with our dolls, let's open our package. So included in your package here is a tag, a chip, and a sticker. Now the thing about these chip and sticker is that this full doll sticker here matches exactly your chip. So all you really have to do is peel the doll, put it on the chip. So let's do that together. Now, before we do, I do want to mention that this is laser cut. Sometimes it may have soot on here, so if you take one of those white magic erasers or just rub it with a cloth, you could take away any soot. But we don't have that much today, so I'm not going to do that. All right, so I'm going to go in here and you're going to have the full doll. Now it can be intimidating because it's a large sticker. So I like to hold it from the top and the bottom to kind of keep it in check. And as I go along, I'm going to pick a spot. So I'm going to pick the shoulder here that I want to start laying this down. So once you find that one spot, just kind of release. And pretty much it goes right into place exactly onto the chipboard. Now, wasn't that easy? Look how beautiful this girl is. She's all ready to be decorated. Now, if we go back to our sample here, what we have done is we color the chipboard directly with the skin tones right here. And then there are other parts on the sticker itself. There is the pants, there is the top, and all the accessories that you can put paper, you could put your glitter paper, whatever you want, and you keep putting them on, trimming them out, and then dressing your doll. I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial on the Krazy Kreations sticker chip dolls. And don't forget, we have a whole variety of dolls that you can find on our website at crazykreations.us. So thank you for taking the time to look at this beautiful project, and happy crafting.